All right, so today it's pretty sunny, pretty bright, but I'm gonna be doing some some regular training. I'm gonna do a couple drills and stuff. This is T-Rex Arms like cold start warm up drill that I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm about to do that. So it's from 3 yards, and that was a hit. Dry fire one. All right, now I'm gonna do that one. There's no like time for this, so it's just kind of warming up. I dropped it a little low. Sucks. All right, I'm gonna do this one now. First shot was good, and then I dropped the second one. Yeah. Well, it'll be okay. Now we're gonna do the draw fire 5 rounds. That was my bad. That one was awful. Well, we'll keep going. Did that one. Now I'll do this. I pulled that one. I squeezed this shot off too early. Actually, I think it's this one. I squeezed it off too early. I was trying to prep the trigger so I could get to this one quicker, but I squeezed it off a little bit too early. So now I'm gonna do it again. Oh, it says press out. Okay, press it. So that one was a line breaker right there. Do this one. So got that one. First shot, second shot. my mag is the spring is just stuck. So there it goes. That's weird. It's probably some sand and shit in them. That's the only bad part about this range. I love this range, but the sand, when I do like reloads and stuff, gets caught up in these mags. But here's my groupings again, and then through 1, maybe 2. I don't really remember what was there, but not the best. Pulled that one low again. Still haven't hit that 2. All right, I actually forgot to do these, so I'm gonna do these real quick. All right, well, strong hand, and then I pulled that one over here. This one's low, both. So that's my progress for right now. I'm gonna reload and I'll get back to you in a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna do the cadence circles. I'm gonna show like 1 or 2, and then I'll show you the results after. That's 411 with about half a second splits. That was 3.5 with like 40.4 second splits. So I'll shoot all of them and then I'll show you the rest of them. I got a dot, my and it's sighted in for 10 yards. I'm gonna be a little, the height over bore is different, so I'm aiming here, but I'm really like hitting here because I'm so close. So I adjusted it a little bit, and then all the rest of these were me. But I did this, and then this, I guess these are technically all 5 in. That's not in. They're line breakers. And then that one I pulled down here. This one I pulled down here. So, I mean, it's not the best work. It's not the worst work. I'd want to be faster. I want to be in like 0.20, 0.30 splits with all 5 in a good group. But that's why I come out here and train. And for this one, I'm just working on my trigger press and transitioning, trying to keep the transitions consistent and the splits pretty consistent. and for the most part, it's all right. So I ran out of ammo in my mags, so I'm gonna have to reload and finish this out, but that's all for now. I didn't have enough, and my camera woman, she stopped it too soon. But I mean, I pulled one there, pulled one there. Those are good. I pulled one here too, and then I finished this out. Still some inconsistencies. I pulled this one. Still got more to work on and train on, but I'm trying to push myself. That's what this was. Those last shots were 4 shots and 2.46 seconds. First shot was in a 1.63, and the splits were 0.26. So that's where I want to be. I want to be splits at like 0.26 with groupings like that. It'll take me a while to get there, but I'm at now 0.26 with groupings like this, and occasionally throwing a shot. But most of the time, this is about my size groupings at the split I want to be in. So I'm gonna do this cadence circle drill one more time. Really trying to work on my trigger press, trigger control, and my recoil management, my recoil control. Everybody's on a different place in their journey and their training. I think one thing I really need to work on is recoil management so I can get the splits that I want, but I gotta balance between pushing myself and also slowing down, because going too fast isn't gonna do anything for me, and then going too slow isn't gonna do anything for me. So it's a balance, and I'm trying. But yeah, I'm gonna do this cadence drill one more time, and then I'm probably gonna practice like my recoil management. I'm gonna do some doubles or something like that. But I'll do like a few shots on camera, and then I'll show you the end results. So that was a 0.33 split, and all 5 in. Not terrible, not terrible. We'll do one more, and then I'll show you the end results. See, pulled that one. These 3 are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to get more consistent, but that's just more training. So I'll get back to you. I'll show you all the rest of these 4. I'll see you in a second. Did these 4. I pulled on this one. I pulled these 2, and then on this one, I pulled this one. On this one, I pulled this one, and then on this one, I pulled this one. So I pull about 1 shot a circle around 0.30 splits, except for this one. So that's where I need to kind of stay at, and don't need to try to go any faster than that. I need to hone in and get all my 0.30 splits to look like this, and then I can try to push it faster, move to 0.20. But still got work to do, but everybody can improve on something. So I'll talk to y'all later.